Hi everyone, CNXsoft here. Today I'm going to review and have a look at Weloop Hey 3S Sports Smartwatch. It comes with two buttons, one for selection and unlock, one for back, a memory LCD module, which I call it also e-paper display, color one with touchscreen, and a plastic ABS strap band, I guess. And at the bottom here we have the HRM, heart rate monitor, and the pogo pins to charge a watch. That's the charger, so you just put it there and plug it to a power supply or your USB, and it will charge within maybe 1 or 2 hours. I cannot remember because I only charge once. And so far here you can see the battery level. I charged 8 days ago and I'm still over 50%, so it's good maybe for 2 weeks, 20 days maybe on the charge. It also has GPS built in, and I use it about 2 hours, I think, when running and cycling. So okay, let's go through the user interface. So first there is a touchscreen, but it's locked by default, and that is nice. It was a bug before on the devices. So you just press here, it will unlock, and you can go through different menus, and if you click several times you get some settings. You can find the latest notification. I'm using an Android phone and I get no problem to get notifications. I will show it in the app later. You have heart rate, either static or dynamic. Okay, it's supposed to continuously monitor the heart rate. Okay, and it does a job. But I've not really used those functions. This one is very good. It's the running mode, so you can use outdoor or indoor. And the main difference is that outdoor you can see it will sync with satellites. And usually maybe it takes 15-20 seconds to get a fix. I'm under a roof here, so it will take maybe a little longer. Okay, and then we can go do our run. He will check the time, bitrate, distance, the real distance, because it's GPS, and the time per miles or kilometers, and estimated calories. So once you are done you can click back, select finish, and it will give you some data about your run. And after it will sync to the phone, and you can see it on Google Maps or similar. And you don't need to carry your phone with you. Indoor is the same, except you can go direct. There is also a cycle mode. So again, it will use GPS, and if we go, it will show the speed, bitrate, and distance, and time. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, next. Swimming pool. You can swim with this, but I have not tried, so I have not used it in the swimming pool, but I can see you have to set the length of the swimming pool and it will check the time and the distance while swimming. And this one is Stopwatch. And countdown timer. This one is to change watch face. The one here is a default one, but I'll show you later on the phone. You can change, and this one is my preferred one because it has all the settings, step count, battery level, and heart rate. All in one. And after there are just a few settings. You can set do not disturb, so meaning no notification. Oh, I've been a bit slow. And about. And if you want, you can reset the watch to factory settings, I guess, or power it off. Okay, and of course it will sync with a smartphone. And the app is called Weloop. You can find it on Google Play or the Apple App Store. So once you sync, you have status bar. You can select different menus, and I mean device here, and you can select notification to enable, disable the apps you want to use. For me, I only enable SMS and telephone. I disable the others, and it's working pretty well. This one sets the time when the watch should not vibrate when you get notifications. You can set alarm, and this one will just vibrate when you set the time. No sound. It supports firmware updates, and I've done it, and it worked. So that's the watch. You can select a watch face here. You click here and you sync. It will upload. Maybe it takes 1 minute, so I will not do it. But you have a choice of different designs. And some other settings. Because it has a backlight, I'm not sure we could see it, and that's a plus because this kind of display we cannot see it in the dark without backlight. So we can set the behavior of this and then enable notification and various other settings, including languages. If you prefer Chinese, there is another app, not on the Google Play. So let's try the other things. Goals. So it will show you a summary of your activity. So for example, yesterday it showed I slept almost 9 hours. I did some activities during the rest of the day, some walking, some running. Okay, and after you can see the evolution over the week, months, or year. Yeah, you can also select the day that way. and then each time you select running, cycling or swimming, it will keep track. So we can see I ran 5 times, and it keeps all the record. And if you click here, it will show you where you ran and other settings. As well as the charts for pace, beat per minute, and cadence. This one I'm not sure what that means. Okay, and the cycling is the same. It will also show you the map, but it was not so accurate that time. But when I run, I find it's pretty good. And then you have your own profile, where you can set different settings. You can manage your account as you please. Alright, so that's it. I'm pretty happy about this watch. It's been a while since I did a review a wearable, but they have fixed some issues. First, waterproofness has been improved. It's a 5 ATM watch. And there is a backlight. Some other devices didn't have it. And also the screen is locked by default. And that's also very good, because some other ones I shower and it would mess up. Battery life is good, as I thought before. So maybe you could consider it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.